A very good morning from the Turkish Riviera here in the southwest of Turkey, a 1,000 kilometre stretch of coastline. It is also known as the Turquoise Coast, and for good reason. It is a holiday maker's dream. Lots of hotels and apartments and other places you can spend the long Turkish summer. For the last week I've been staying at the Duja Bodrum resort, which is about 12 kilometers north of Bodrum itself, and I figured I'd had enough relaxation and it is time to make a video. So out came my camera, out came my drone, and I'm hoping in this video to be able to show you what a holiday resort in Turkey actually looks like. I'm currently outside the grounds of the hotel. I'm about 5 minutes walk along a secluded beach area, and you can see the bay with the hotel is just behind me now. So first observations are that it is built on a hillside adjacent to the sea. It has a beach and water sports area. Above that is the main pool and restaurants, and then the primary hotel building overlooking it all. However, the grounds are much larger than that. Surrounding it are these additional buildings, some of them premium standalone apartment-like rooms, and others are larger satellite buildings consisting of around 30 to 50 rooms with either a private balcony or walk-in pool access. Narrow traditional streets connect the 87,000 square metre resort, making it feel less like your average hotel and more like a small waterside village. Welcome to my room at the resort. This is a club room. It is currently about the 12th, 13th of August, and I had a quick look before I started the video to see what it would cost if I booked a room here in the last week of August 2022. The price per double club room is about £1,800 sterling. That's just over 2,000 euros. That is a late booking, so it's only 2 weeks away, but it does include all of the slides and pools and food and drink that you could possibly want here at the resort. So it's kind of everything included in that price. And let me show you the room. I'll show you outside as well in a second, because there is a walk-in pool out there, which is really neat. But first of all, let me take you over here. There is wardrobe space over here in the corner of the room. Lots of space for all of your clothes and belongings. A safe down there in the corner as well. I'll just give you a quick glimpse of the whole room as well while I'm over here. It's a very sizable room, lots of space, and very bright with the large window down there at the bottom. Tea and coffee, decent stuff as well, I've got to say. And down here a fridge, one of my favourite parts of the room. There is lots of soft drink, water, fruit, and usually a couple of beers in there, although I drank those last night. It is replenished every day at about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning, so every time you drink something it gets replenished. Packing space, a desk there with all of my bits and pieces over there, a television up there in the corner, although I haven't really used a TV, I tend not to when I'm travelling. Comfortable bed. And just show you the bathroom quickly, or the shower room as it is. Again, all my bits and pieces spread across there, and a pretty decent shower, although it is more of a wet room, so the whole place gets pretty wet when you're showering. Sofa over there in the corner, very comfortable, also turns into a bed, so you can have extra space in the room if you want it. But yeah, just another glimpse of the whole room there. Very, very spacious. And then out here, you can see, look at that for a view. And then when you come out of your balcony here in the mornings, it is really warm. See the mountains there in the distance. I'll give you a glimpse of those in a second, but yeah, you can just walk straight into your pool in the morning. which is pretty good. Space over there to relax and enjoy the sun. And yeah, that's the view from the outside of the room. And I'll just take you over here to show you the mini bar. Some rules and regulations of the pool. Water temperature 30 degrees, 13th of August 2022. And this bar is open between 10 and 4 o'clock. And it mostly just has a load of water that you can just come and help yourself to. So yeah, really nice place. The sun is shining towards those mountains, so I can't really give you the best view at the moment. But as we walk out of the little area here where the room is, you can see those incredible mountains peeking over these trees. Kids club in there with a little miniature pool and play equipment. And then up here on this deck are the water slides. There we go. There's a twisty one on the left, the green one, which is pretty slow, I can tell you by experience. Sunbeds over there, a bar over there on the right, and then 4 pretty quick water slides straight ahead. As you may have seen in the drone shots, lots of small pathways and quaint little alleys leading off to various buildings and apartments. It's a really nice site, you can easily get lost. So I'm just going to come down here a little bit now and show you the entertainment area just before we take a look at the main pool. This looks like some Greek pillars on my right side there, and then straight ahead is the amphitheatre. This is built for, I think, mostly the shows in the evening that they put on. There we go. Incredible view over the sea. And then just to my right here is the main pool. So I think as I look over this railing, yeah, there we go. We'll see the children's pool first and then the main pool behind it. Let's go and see if we can get a better view of it all. The side of another little bar. You find them tucked all over the place. Serves drink and probably snacks most of the way through the day. And then this sheltered pavilion area with tables set up. There we go, there's the main pool. The bar over there, mountains behind it, and a decking area with this beautiful blue water of the swimming pool and the ocean behind it. The Duja clock straight ahead. It is exactly midday. There's the pool again. We're going to head down to the beach now, I think. And to get down there, you can either walk or you can catch a lift, which is just around here. There we go. You can see it's quite a way down there. You can walk. There are steps running down there. But I think I'm going to elect to get a lift. When we come out of the tunnel, we've got a decision to make. We can go left, straight ahead, or right. I think what we'll do is we'll go left first of all. I'll show you what's down there. It's a good little map of the hotel. I'm currently down here somewhere. These are the various buildings. The main hotel block is here where a lot of the food is, and that's where I'm staying. Decent location. You can get your lunch down here. They do really good burgers and pizza from just there. But we're going to head a little bit further along. down here, it's about as close as we'll get to these two uninhabited islands just out in the bay, just a few miles from the coastline here. Lots of yachts over there enjoying the peace and quiet, I'm sure. There's another island straight ahead, but it's a larger one. And as I come around, I'm sort of as far left as you can get, really. There is a floaty out in the sea. It's a bit choppy today, and it's just a kind of relaxation area. There's a bar here behind me again. And then just a little bit further on, the adults only section. It is empty. Most people here this time of year are going to be with kids, I would say. And then just a little bit further on is a hammock, and then you get a view over the hotel next door. The red flag is out today saying no lifeguard on duty, and the waters are a little bit too choppy to swim in. There is the hotel next door, but I think I'm gonna maybe jump on that hammock in a minute, but I think I'm going to head back and I'll show you the main pier. Bit of a troubled time with all of the copyright music they're playing at the beach and on the pier. So I'll tell you a little bit about the pier. So there is a bar that you can pick up your free drinks. Also two diving areas. One where you can dive into the water or jump if you want at 7 meters in depth. The other one is 5 meters. There's lots of sunbeds set out, so you can choose a place to relax and enjoy the sound of the ocean. And you can also hire a private area depending on where it is on the pier. Some of them go for 40 euros, others 100 euros, and they all come with their own deck chairs, fridge and diving area to get the most out of the spot. So this is what happens when you turn right. To the left here are the private beach huts that you can rent out, and then we have a really nice beach area down here as well. It is private to the hotel. Lots of people in the water enjoying the sea. There are water sports and activities over in that hut, so you can go paragliding and on the banana boat and all of that. And then as we come round, you can see more of those private little beach huts that you can rent. So let's talk about the food for a moment. The Duja Bodrum is an all-inclusive resort, meaning that your meals, snacks and drinks are included, and as you'd expect, there are plenty of options to choose from. The main restaurant serves breakfast, lunch and dinner, and throughout that time you can find an array of different dishes to satisfy almost any taste. Breakfast is served between 7 and 11, lunch between 12:30 and 2:30, and dinner between 7 and 9:30 in the evening. There's also a selection of other cafes, snack rooms, cocktail bars, and even a Starbucks. No matter what time of day it is, you'll always find something open. The resort also has its own convenience store, spa, fitness centre, tennis courts, kids club and organic garden. Well, hopefully you found that useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.